Hi, thank you for joining us today at Motorhome Specialist. My name is Caleb Maples,
And I'm Caleb Walters with Entegra Coach.
and today we'll be going over the 2026 Entegra Coach Accolade XT 35L.
I love the 35L Accolade XT floor plan. It's our best selling, quickest turning floor plan, and people love it for many reasons. I think a good place to start is going to be the foundation. Okay, the 35L is built on the F600 standard. We love the 600 because it's got 4x4 capability. Okay, it's got that 6.7 liter turbo diesel producing 330 horsepower, 950 foot-pounds of torque.
Yep.
Love this platform and this chassis that we built on this Ford F600, and obviously towing comes with that as well, right?
Yes, sir. So you're at 12,000 pounds of towing on this, and I think if you're looking at Entegra, you have to go over the chassis of it. Obviously, you have your computer balanced drive shaft, you have your front and rear heavy duty sway bars, and then if you look on any Entegra coach and you see this gold right here, that's their Coney shocks. So it's definitely an amazing, quiet, smooth, great handling ride and drive.
Yeah, those are all the features that encapsulate our Easy Drive Premier on this Accolade XT. Just poke your head in there, see that beautiful gold shock. You got some pretty cool shocks to take you off-road with this 4x4 platform. Obviously, it looks like it's sitting up a little high. That's because the Accolade XT is getting a lift. It's a 2-inch BDS radius arm lift. So not only does it have the capability for 4x4, it's got that 4x4 off-road look. It's sitting up a little taller, gives you some great ground clearance. We're doing these black aluminum wheels just to tie in that off-road look. And then we've got this amazing metal upgraded ram guard as well, just again to tie in the look. The platform that we're working on, the foundation, the 4x4 feel, it's all encapsulated in this look. And then of course, our eyes immediately drawn to the front cap as well.
Yes, so you on every Entegra coach, you look at the front, and this is seamless fiberglass front cap. On the 35L, you are going to have a rear, and then your roof is going to be a one-piece fiberglass roof as well. So, I mean, you have to highlight that on Entegra coach.
Yeah, seamless fiberglass roof caps, and we have these auxiliary floodlights as well, again, to add to your off-road. You're going through trees at night. The floodlights and the front and rear cap kind of encapsulate that off-road feel as well.
100%.
Coming down through the coach, of course, Accolade XT. Got to highlight the baggage doors as well.
You have to.
A lot of the competition is just going to use a cheap, flimsy fiberglass baggage door. We've got all metal slam latch baggage doors as well. Sometimes we get some pass through. We have an easy to clean kind of toy hauler material in this baggage compartment as well. But it's really a bus style, even a diesel pusher style baggage upfit on this coach as well. And then got to talk about the warranty, right, Caleb?
Have to. So Entegra Coach, industry leading 2-year limited warranty, and everything that has a structure on it, they'll have their 3-year structural warranty on it. It just gives customers safety and it makes them feel great.
Yeah, it's peace of mind with the quality of the coach.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll touch on the legless awning here as well. With this being a legless awning, bring it all the way out with a wind sensor built in as well. So if you are out in the boonies, catch a gust of wind, this awning will come in as well. Coming down from the rest of the coach, new for 26, what do we got right here?
We have our tankless Suburban water heater. I mean, it's awesome. You know, you don't want a 6 or 10 gallon water tank. It's just going to be what you need for camping on the go. So.
Yep, exactly. And to kind of cap off the conversation on the outside of the coach, want to come all the way around to the other side.
So correct me if I'm wrong, Caleb, but this power cord reel right here, I mean, for any customer, it's just super simple.
Huge deal.
Obviously,
makes it way
you have
easier.
Retract button right here. You are hooked up to 50 amp service, 6,000 watt generator. You have 200 watts of solar with a dual controller. You have 2 6-volt AGM house batteries. I mean, and standard on this is Starlink, which is huge for most of our customers. You know, being on the go, being in the middle of nowhere, you need to have that internet connection, anything like that for remote work.
Yeah.
Make phone calls, anything like that. We also have your telescoping ladder here that hooks up to your back lippert hookups right there.
Yeah, tuck that away when you don't need it. I also had a 2,000 watt inverter just to tie in the whole electrical system as well, and that's pure sine wave as well. Last thing I'd like to touch on the outside is going to be slide outs. At Entegra Coach, with that 2-year warranty, you're guaranteed superior quality. So I love to point out the slide outs here. On this rear bed, we're using a Schwintek slide out mechanism, which is a great slide for a lightweight bed slide. And then you can see on the living room slide down this way, we're using a Power Gear electric rack and pinion system. It's a very heavy-duty slide-out mechanism that's perfect for a more heavy living room slide. So this is just a great way to encapsulate the Entegra quality story and the 2+3 year warranty.
Sure.
I think that wraps up the outside conversation.
Yeah.
Let's jump on the inside and look at the 35L Accolade XT. Well, now that we're inside this 2026 35L Accolade XT, I think the natural first thing to look at would be the cab area. I think first thing that your eye is kind of drawn to is the reupholstered driver and passenger seat with that ultra leather material, super comfortable, super plush, right? And then of course you're getting the luxurious amenities of electric powered seats. You can bring those back and forth. And then you do have your Ford Sync infotainment system with built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So it's just a really nice place to be while you're driving this big F600 Super C. And then of course you direct your eyes to the overhead bunk above it. What do we love about that?
Industry leading 750 pounds in the overhead bunk. Obviously it's removable, so if you do want to get up, get yourself a sandwich, a drink on the road, it's super easy. As far as the overhead shade, auto bonded glass, power shade, blackout for anybody who sleeps overhead. Super simple.
Yeah, not only do you have the physical space for 2 adults, but that 750-pound bunk rating can actually carry the weight of 2 adults as well. But obviously, as Caleb and I are sitting here, we do have these awesome optional powered theater seats with USB-A, USB-C power connectivity. And the reason that we love this floor plan is just the open space, because we have opposing slides. We're directly across from a beautiful, large, smart TV that's sitting over your 4-seat dinette that has seat belts in all seating positions. So just really love the open nature of this 35L floor plan that directly takes you into an open floor plan in the galley as well. The Accolade XT is our top-of-the-line F600 Super C, so we're not sparing any materials or amenities here. We have solid surface countertops, soft touch vinyl ceiling. We do have our Lippert 4000 windows with the integrated day and night shades, as you can see behind us. And that sets us apart because a lot of competitors are still using those standard frameless windows that have the pull-down blackout shades, and those just click-clack as you're driving down the road. So here you've already got the built-in day and night shades, but they're silent while you're driving down the road. And then tell us about this residential refrigerator as well, Caleb.
So 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator. You have your pantry right here, so you're not giving up that space for any canned goods, anything like that.
And directly across from that 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator, just the number of amenities and appliances in our kitchen is amazing. You have a huge stainless steel sink. We do have our 2-burner induction cooktop, which is optimally efficient, and it heats up whatever you're cooking very quickly. And then we have a massive residential convection microwave for virtually all your cooking needs on top of that as well. And then really just the aesthetics in here as well. A huge piece of a stone backsplash behind your sink really ties in the look and residential feel of this 35L floor plan.
So you make your way down to the shower. Nice split bath. That door does close, give you a little bit of privacy while you're showering, changing, all that. You have your AquaView shower miser in the shower. Just a wonderful water system right there. And then your bathroom, I mean, if I'm a big guy, so I do like my space right there. So if I can take a shower in there, if I can use the bathroom pretty well, then I'm a happy man on the road. So
yeah, love that shower miser added for model year 26, just preserving that water capacity here. You still have 66 gallons of fresh water, but that shower miser always makes it nice, just so you're not wasting that water while you're waiting for it to heat up with that new Suburban tankless water heater. Heading back to the bedroom, we do have a massive king-size bed back there for you, across from a smart TV and an electric fireplace. And then, of course, in this 35L floor plan, optional washer, dryer as well. So the number of amenities on the inside of this coach is absolutely incredible.
thank you again for joining us here at Motorhome Specialists, the #1 RV motorized dealership in the world for 12 years in a row. You can reach me at 817-886-0077 if you have any questions about this unit or other units, and you can reach us at mhsrv.com. Caleb, we also want to say thank you for coming in today. We really do appreciate it.
Entegra Coach and Motorhome Specialists have had a great partnership for many years. Caleb and all the sales reps here can reach out to me anytime to get you guys the answers you need. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this walk around on this Accolade XT, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you.